Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your e-bike is showing unusual behavior, losing power unexpectedly, or displaying error messages, resetting the e-bike controller may help restore normal operation. Since the controller serves as the central component that manages communication between the battery, motor, and display, even minor glitches can affect the overall performance of your e-bike. Fortunately, many temporary issues can be resolved without replacing parts or visiting a repair shop. Giving the e-bike controller a fresh start often helps clear faults and improve responsiveness. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps that may help you successfully reset your e-bike controller. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the power connected to the e-bike controller before beginning. Step 2. Disconnect the battery supplying the e-bike controller. Step 3. Leave the e-bike controller without power for a few minutes. Step 4. Reconnect the battery to the e-bike controller securely. Step 5. Restart the system controlled by the e-bike controller and allow it to initialize. Step 6. Verify that the e-bike controller is operating normally and that previous issues have been resolved.